tomorrow morning, the first thing we're gonna do is go to the doctor. Alright? I'm gonna renew your pump and all of that. Anyways, you hear from your mommy?
Oh, I never remember to tell us that my pump finished now. Oh, you know?
Because I call the coach and I call the teacher.
Oh, alright. Yeah, me hear from mommy.
Good. I'm gonna hear from her still. She alright?
Yeah, she alright. And she don't ask if you alright.
She asks if me alright. So, what you tell her?
I tell her I say alright. I did the hour.
Okay. When she call you back, tell her I say hi, eh?
I will. Oh, Daddy, Auntie Patsy tell us that she come from school?
Yeah. The teacher did call me. I'm end up in a meeting. Never pretty.
Tell me what happened now? Because me never in the office, them lock me out.
Princess, just make it stay. It's alright.
Okay. Daddy, Auntie Patsy tell me say if I win the next competition, you and I can go hotel.
Yeah. The promise said that in a princess, but right now, daddy workload is very heavy.
Alright, Daddy, I understand.
You know I feel that way, princess, but I'm glad I understand. Alright? So now, we're gonna start with the first game. It being rock, paper, scissors. Come. Who win? If you win, me have to do everything that you want. If me win, you have to go listen. Be your rules and regulations. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors. 1 dot. Rock, paper, scissors. 2 dot. Rock, paper, scissors. You win everything. Okay. Alright. What you want to do first? You want Jackie back?
Yes, Jackie back. Straight down my back.
You mean everywhere you go in the park, you can't do that?
A deal is a deal, Daddy. A deal is a deal. Everywhere me are going on park, you know. I'm a winner, you're a loser. I'm a winner, you're a loser.
Alright. You can't do it. You win.
That's 2 points for me and 1 for you.
You ready?
Yes.
Alright. Let's go.
Call me. If you're not there, call me. And you there. Alright? Yeah. Like one of the guys and if you need them, take them out of the yard. Alright.
Yo, bad man, you know say certain reasoning would not go have on the phone. So me I gonna need you for reach a phone. ASAP. Yeah man, that would have work if you schedule permit. Don't worry about him man, and me alone I roll today, yeah. Yeah, so you don't have to, you don't pre nothing. So you are going. So when you reach a bar, just now. I'm a little kid. Much respect.